Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. Nobody really asked for it, but I thought of seeing this silver stripe up here. Let's add a little bling to this, make it look a little better maybe. We're going to use these exact same one. I'm going to take away the black for a second. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to draw some lines. I'm going to draw a 2-point line from that. Well, I'm going to start down here and get the node and go up to the top. This has got to be perfect. Go over here and get the node and go down here, and then go up here and get the node and go down here. And if we take away, do we want to take away the lines? If we take away, let's try it. You know what? Let's try it two different ways. Let's make a duplicate of that, move it over there, and let's take away this line and this line and this line. Then we got 4 different parts. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on that same color, fill that in and that in and that in. And now let's use the, you know what? I think it'd be best to have those lines. So let's just do it with the lines. So let's fill in this. Yeah, this is going to look better. Then if we take this, select that first and go to the interactive fill tool and swipe across it. And I'm going to really use black to kind of give us a separation. And then just kind of hit that one and do the exact same thing. Make sure yeah, that's going to look pretty good. And we could change that. Let's put a white in here and see what happens. Then we'd have to move our black up more. Well, let's leave our black where it is. And let's put another turquoise right there. See, I got a little bit, I can bring my black back. See, I've got, well, you know what? I'm not going to do that. Let's just do it with the way it was. And then do this one and come in here and add black. You could actually probably do this and then, rotate it around where they will all be equal. See, I accidentally selected that one. So we need to make sure we select this with the interactive fill tool. So if you ever get that, it's because you've inadvertently selected it. That's going to look pretty good. Now I'm going to have to go and select this with my pick tool, get the interactive fill, select that. You know what? Let's get away from that one for a second. Select that one, interactive fill tool, or G. I put black on the wrong end. I quit using the G because at one time I'd turn my G into group. That looks okay. I think this is going to add some bling. Now take away the lines. Now our nudge is still set on the same thing. Okay. Grab this and group it together and go up to Object, Order, Back of Page, and then these will be on top. Look at that. I think that's going to look pretty good. Whoop. And I think it looks a lot better, or at least unique. Go up, make it black, Object, Order, Back of Page. A little bit different. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, hope that just gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.